Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert.
And I'm Erica Bodker, AccuQuilt's creativity specialist.
All right, spoiler alert, this video is going to be full of bad jokes as we introduce the Go Sheep and Goat die.
And while we think it may just be the greatest of all time die, we know you're going to love it too for farm-themed pillows, table runners, quilts, and more.
All right, so let's take a look at the die. First of all, the two shapes are in a 5x10 die board, Erica.
Yes.
So it's going to fit through all of our Go cutters, including that Go Me, perfect for crafting and making all sorts of fun projects.
That's so detailed.
So detailed. And so let's kind of talk about it. So here's first our little sheep, and you can see our sheep
He's fluffy.
fluffy. But the goat, look, the goat has horns and a tail and a billy goat scruff.
Yes.
All the things.
All the things.
All right, so these two shapes are in a 5x10 die board. So we're going to tell you that you want to pre-fuse your fabric. So Erica, this was a great chance. You and I talk about this a lot, of keeping your scraps that have already been fused, right? Yes. So here's some of the scraps that we've had that have been fused. And I think we should make a sparkly goat.
Oh, okay. I like that. But great. Well, that goat should be the goat's goat.
Yes, it should be. All right.
All right. So we're going to use some cotton right now, but think outside of the box. You could use flannel, felt. Pam's got some great felt here.
Yep.
Craft foam. You could use something fuzzy for the
I was
woolly
thinking
sheep.
maybe batting, white batting.
Oh, white batting.
Would
I
be
was
fun.
thinking minky, but you could also use fleece.
Yes.
Fleece.
Please.
Fleece.
All day we're going to be here.
All day.
Yep.
Now remember, these shapes, let's take a look at them again before we cut them. They're directional.
Yes.
So if you want all your sheep going the same direction, you need to lay all your fabric facing the same way.
Right.
But if there's one black sheep in the area that's not going to cooperate, well, then you can put his fabric wrong side down.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put him here. Okay, so I'm going to put this on here. We're going to put it through our Go Bolt cutter over here. And remember, it's electric, so you need to turn on the button and just put it right through.
And I love that thought of fan folding, because either way, you're going to want to count your sheep. Oh, make sure you have enough. Oh, all day.
All day. Here we go. So we're going to take off both layers. Look at this.
Okay.
Look how detailed those are.
Cute.
So there's our sheep, and here is our goat.
Right.
Oh, that is a very handsome sparkly
I like that
goat.
sparkly
I like
goat.
that a lot.
I like that sparkly goat. Now that your shapes are cut, they're ready to be appliqué to your project.
Right.
Now, if you're going to use our free embroidery download, you want to do this first before you iron down the shape.
Right.
And we have instructions on how to do that on our website. You can go to our YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have an embroidery machine, no worries. You can use a decorative stitch from your domestic machine. You could do like Terry did here in the back and just do raw edge quilting.
Right.
Or you could do overall quilting on your project.
Right. In case you thought that we were kidding around about things that you can embellish with this die, we want to also show you some of the great projects that you can make.
Yes. So first up is the Baba sheep wall hanging.
We have one black sheep.
Yeah.
You know, every family's got one, right?
Yes.
So here we've got them all, and this is a great example of what we talked about. They are all the same fabric. They're all facing the same direction. And then we've got our loner down here facing the other direction. We got our rebel down here.
Yes.
Cute
All right.
quilting.
Super
love
cute.
this.
And such a quick weekend project. Look at
I
that.
really love the straight line quilting on that.
I think it's fabulous. Okay, what do we have next? I think we have a tote.
It's the goat tote.
The goat tote.
And so if you don't know, goat can stand for greatest of all time.
It can.
So how fun would that be to make for
like a teacher gift?
Teacher gift, a coach,
Yep.
a Grammy,
Yep.
anybody.
There you go.
Anybody.
And it's perfect for books, for fabric, and projects. Now, it uses a pre-made tote bag and letters from the Go Classic 2-inch alphabet uppercase die.
So cute. Actually, I think that was made with a June Taylor Quilt As You Go kit.
Oh, there we go. Yes.
How fun is that?
Yeah. I love this.
Now, if you are looking for your next baby shower gift, the Go Counting the Animals throw quilt hanging behind us is just delightful. You can make it for boys, for girls. It's made with both the sheep and the goats and our Go Farm animal die as well. And notice how they're all sized to work together in the same project.
Aren't they super cute? And here's 3 and 2 and 5 and a whole bunch. 7 and 4.
And then our Go Tractor die, of course, because
Which is
we're on
so
the
fun.
farm. And remember, it makes a difference what color your tractor is.
It does. I
That's
love her
so
little cute
cute.
pigs.
All right. Now, last but certainly not least, the Go on the Farm quilt, which uses the animals. And again, we've got our Go Farm animals, which we've got our goat, our sheep, and then our pigs, our chickens, and our cows. Again, those come to us from the Go Farm animal die.
It's made with grunge, so right there.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. This is the color I was looking for at the store.
Oh,
yesterday.
yes. Yes, look at how
Right
cute
there.
this.
I think it's called
I
kiwi.
love it.
All of these are free downloadable patterns, and they're all available for you on AccuQuilt.com.
With the addition of these 2 new animals, the AccuQuilt farm is growing exponentially because at AccuQuilt we help you cut time
So you can quilt and craft more.